Hi there to all of you. Today, I'll go over how to divide an address in Excel according to the city, state, and zip code. So start by making a table the way this video instructs. Then choose the column where the addresses are listed. And to select all data, use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow. Then, to launch the pop-up, press Alt, A, and E. Next, click on it. Next, choose the delimiter, usually a space or comma, that will divide the address's component parts. Press Next. Decide which columns you want the divided data to display in, or the destination for the split data. Press Finish. The data that was extracted from your original addresses will be automatically transferred into the city, state, and zip code columns as a result. Thanks for staying with us.